Hi YouTube, it's Peter from Peter.in, and guys, welcome back to another video. And in this new video I'm going to tell you guys about some tips and tricks that you can implement on the home screen of the J7 Pro. And guys, to get to the settings, also we'll go to app drawer, tap on the three dot icon and again tap on settings. And let's begin with the home screen layout. And guys, we do have two options, and the first option is the normal layout with the app drawer, and the second button is really similar to the iOS or the MIUI, whereas you can see all of your application in your home screen itself. But I personally like the app drawer feature. But if you are into a single screen stuff, you can switch between that as well. And also we do have the option here to change the home screen grid. You can switch between three options here as well. And also we do have the same grid option for the app drawer as well, wherein you can switch between two options here. And also moving back, we do have some more options that you can customize on your home screen, like you can enable an apps button, and after the arrival of the swipe up feature, the app button is no longer used by anyone. But if you are a person who like using apps button, you can actually enable it here, and also it's a really useful feature as well. And also even with the apps button, you can still use the swipe up feature as well. So personally, I like the swipe up feature. So we also have the quick open notification, and I do made a dedicated video about this feature as well. So guys, as you know, Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro is a really big smartphone, and sometimes it is a bit difficult to bring down the notification panel with the one hand, and that's where this feature comes in handy. That means you can actually swipe down from anywhere on the screen, and that brings down the notification panel. So it's a really good feature as the devices are really big, and sometimes one hand usage may be difficult to bring down the notification panel. So you can use the quick open notification to get that done as well. And also we do have the hide apps feature here. Right now let's hide the Google Assistant app, and before that here you can see the Google Assistant app is now unhided. Now let's hide it and see what happens. So as usual, tap on the hide apps icon under home screen settings, and tap on the icon or application that you want to hide, and tap on apply. And here you can see, for example, Google Assistant is now hided, and you can unhide it by just following the same method and untick it, and that's it. So guys, this was actually a quick video on how you can customize your home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A7 Pro, as this feature is unknown to a lot of people, and a lot of people also know it as well. So that's it guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, have a wonderful day. See you guys in another video. Bye.